Hi, in this video, I built a dating app using Laravel that demonstrates several keys, including database migrations and models, factory seeding, queue jobs for background processing, and blade templating. So let me walk you through how I implemented each component. uh, the database structures and migration. I started by designing the database schema using Laravel migrations. So I will not enter into details. It's very clear. Here the factories of the tables, uh, interests, location, user preferences, and I created the migrations. And I create seeders, database seeder, which uh, invoke the dating app seeder. In the dating app seeder, it seeds the database with some data, and I run the migration. Also, I will not walk through this because it's very easy. And as you see here, these users are created through the seeder, and user preferences also created, the interests also created. Uh, what else? Now I will run I will dispatch the jobs. Uh, I will dispatch the queues which will create the jobs in this table. I created a match controller to handle the web requests, and I created a blade template to display all the matches. I will show you in a while how this blade template work. Uh, Let me walk you through one of the most important component of this project, the process profile match job. This is a queue job that handles the profile matching in the background. So uh, the constructor takes two parameters, a user model instance and an optional preferences array. The handle the handle method is where the actual work happens. So it finds the potential matches. Here, the current user, it's excluded. Second, it filters by gender, and it filters by age range, defaulting to 1899. It limits uh, to 50 potential matches, and it calls also the for each potential match, it calls the calculate compatibility score. The compatibility algorithm here is it start a score with 0. It adds 20 points if the users are in near location, and it adds 5 points for each common interest. So it caps a final score at 100 uh, to keep it as a percentage. So after we created this queue, we need to dispatch this job in the queue. So here I already dispatched the matching profiles, and also I run the queue worker. So in the database, here I already dispatched it and I stop it, so it's empty. I will dispatch it again. Okay, dispatch profile match jobs for 50 users. In the jobs, it should be filled now. And after we dispatch it, we need to run the what you call it, the queue worker. So the queue worker is running, and it's matching all the users. Now, to see the results, we should okay, we should run the endpoint. So this is the endpoint. It triggers the match controller. And here, this is the blade template. We just provide the user and we view the matches. For sure, this it is reading from the database, and it's collecting all the matches. So this is it concerning the jobs and the queues. About the service provider, uh, I learned it and I made few examples, and it's a straightforward and easy. For me, it's very easy. It's nothing in it. You register the service. You register it here. The services that it needs to be injected. You register here the classes, the interfaces, whatever.